Today we are going to learn about word stress. For example, look at this word. It should be pronounced as telepathy. Telepathy, not telepathy. The stress is on L, and that's why L has to be made prominent. It should be louder as compared to the other sounds on both sides of this word. Telepathy. Democracy. The stress is on M. When I say democracy, it means the sound of M has to be highlighted or made noticeable. If you don't do that, it means you are not going to do justice with its pronunciation. Then participate. Participate. The stress is on T. Participate. It is part of participate. 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 And then we have another word. Demography. The stress is on M. Demography. 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 Philosopher. The stress is on L. Philosopher. Philosopher. The stress is on L. When you lay stress on any syllable, it has to be made noticeable. It has to be prominent. It has to be pronounced louder as compared to the other sounds in the same word. And then participation. Participation. Now the stress has moved to P. Participation. And next word is strategic. Strategic. Not a strategic. The stress is on T. Strategic. Strategic. Listen again. Strategic. And then scientific. Scientific. The stress is on T. Scientific. Don't say scientific. Scientific. Scientific research. And then we have another word, attributive. Attributive. The stress is on T. Interrogative. Interrogative. The stress is on R. Interrogative. Bureaucracy. R. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. Thank you very much for watching. In order to watch more words like this, you can subscribe my channel, like it, and share it as well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.